So the big question, can you polish PPF, clear bra, or any sort of clear film? The best first step is to check with the manufacturer, but in most cases, a mild polish like Uno Pure with an ultra-fine foam pad can work wonders swiftly, easily, and safely. The top coat on the paint protection film is much like the paint on your car, with a limited amount that can be removed to address those imperfections. So it's crucial to take a conservative approach when dealing with defects on the film. Being too aggressive with the top coat could lead to various issues. It might completely burn through the top coat or cause irreparable damage, resulting in a loss of depth and clarity of the film itself. In such a scenario, removal and replacement of the film would be necessary, which can be quite expensive. So, can you polish PPF? Well, maybe. Always check with the manufacturer first to see if it's recommended. Start with a mild approach to see if you're effectively addressing the defects and proceed accordingly from there.